So guys, I had to stop because my eardrum started ringing, but we're back, okay? Let's start recording this. Lights will be on in the background, I'm sorry about that.
It gets me every time.
So,
this is the bit I like. I don't like the bass, I like the drums.
It should be the law.
His hair's on fire! His hair is on fire!
Bulletin Bomb Fix is coming up, by the way. Modena.
No, it's not lit.
They're all from Harry Potter. Favourite part. Bobs are coming up. So loud. I'm talking and you guys probably can't even hear me. Bob's coming up, guys. There he is. It's not lit. It's fine, it's not lit. It's not lit. There's enough of them.
It's okay, guys. It's not lit.
See, that's what they look like. They're not lit, so it's fine.
Oh, boring. No drums.
You can still hear them in the distance.
Blow your ears.
Oh, fuck. Oh, damn.
Actually, this is in front of the fixer. Ash. This is in front of the fixer.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Go on, hold it up.
No. Uh-oh. This one doesn't seem as loud. Can you hold my other ear, Ash?
Huh?
Can you hold my other ear?
I got hold my own. Oh,
I
there's
got
no
it.
more drum.
Oh, it's not that loud, is it? So. This one's not loud at least. Okay, maybe it is. Good luck. They put one in.
Go on, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Keep going,
All
yeah.
the way.
Oh no! That's stupid.
Huh?
No, it's locked. It's locked. Daddy, keys. Ashley needs the keys.
Don't let the dog out though, Shan. Oh, you